What's the meaning of boa constrictor? Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor.
Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor. A boa constrictor is a type of snake that is found in Central and South America. It is a non-venomous species that is known for its powerful constriction abilities. The name boa comes from the Latin word boe, which means large serpent. Boa constrictors are carnivorous animals that primarily eat small mammals and birds. They can reach lengths of up to 13 feet and weigh up to 60 pounds. Despite their size, they are generally docile and are sometimes kept as pets. However, they still have the potential to be dangerous and should only be handled by experienced individuals.